All right, so it is getting interesting, right? So now we can see this. We need x to stand alone. That is what we're saying. We should solve for x, right? Now, remember I mentioned in the last video, rational expression. This is what it's called. So when you have division, expression at the top, expression at the bottom, rational expression. All right, so now what do we need to do? We have x and a constant at the top, and we have a number at the bottom. In this kind of problem, right, the first thing you need to do is to remove, remember the positive or negative, there's nothing positive or negative standing alone like the last problem. So in this case, you need to break the division. So make sure you remove that thing at the bottom. You cannot do it like one of the, like the problems we've done before, because x is part of the one at the top. So you cannot multiply by the reciprocal, right? So because you don't want to cancel out the x. So what do? You just remove the bottom, right? So how do you remove the bottom? Because it is division, you multiply both sides by 4. Multiply by 4. So that 4 divided by 4 will give you 1. So 1 times this will give you negative 43 plus x. Now the other side, negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. So now you see it is simpler. So all the punchline is that multiply both sides by 4. So now, what do you do now? You just, because you need x, what is the punchline here? You add 43 to both sides. So that negative 43 plus 43 is 0. Then you have x equals negative 32. 32 and positive 43. 43 is more than 32, right? So 43 minus 32 will give you 11. Positive 11. So x equals positive 11. All right. I hope you understand this concept. Great. I'll see you in the next video.